everyone.
We are the Alkana team.
I am Ratna.
I am Salma.
I'm Lulu.
I'm Ayub.
I'm Saskia. And I'm Isna.
Welcome to our video. Welcome to the Virtual Acid Lab. So first is problem identification. Science education is essential for developing students' critical and scientific thinking, especially in chemistry, which requires understanding at microscopic, macroscopic, and symbolic levels. However, according to the Directorate General of Secondary Education, Hamid Muhammad, about 18% of Indonesia's 11,778 secondary schools lack complete laboratories. These limitations make it hard to carry out practical work, lower students' interest in chemistry, and reduce their understanding of concept and important modern skills. To overcome this problem, digital learning tools like virtual labs are needed. They allow students to do experiments safely and interactively, making them a practical solution for schools with limited facilities and helping ensure equal access to chemistry learning.
Virtual Acid Lab, a virtual chemistry laboratory developed to support digital-based science learning. The main objective of this initiative is to address educational access inequality and to improve the quality of chemistry practicum learning, particularly on the topic of acid and base. This is an overview of the Virtual Acid Lab media.
About innovation idea flowchart. The first is conceptual idea, and then the second is analysis of conventional laboratory limitation. The state to understand the real condition in school. The third is inclusive interface design to create an accessible, simple, and inclusive layout that can be used by students. And then the next is development. Our product developed by using interactive Microsoft PowerPoint. And the fifth is supporting technology integration. This state ensures that Virtual Acid Lab runs smoothly across different devices such as laptop and mobile phones. And then the next is application testing. This step is crucial to ensure that the media function as intended and support learning objectives. And next is launch and evaluation. And then the last is maintenance and improvement. This state used to improve Virtual Acid Lab so it remains relevant and effective with future learning needs.
Okay, so let's see how Virtual Acid Lab media works.
Virtual Acid Lab is an interactive virtual chemistry laboratory designed to help students perform acid-based experiments digitally without needing a physical lab. The main purpose is to enable students to observe color change of indicator in acidic or base solution, understand the concept of pH indicator and chemical reaction, develop scientific and critical thinking skill even in school with limited laboratory facilities. Virtual Acid Lab was fully developed using Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint was used because it is easy to access on both computers and smartphone, works offline without an internet connection, and support animation, hyperlink, and interactive button, allowing it to simulate laboratory experiment realistically. Students can click the next or back button to move through each experimental step, observe reaction, and read conclusion or reflection. Experiment conclusion: acid solution turn blue, litmus paper red, basic solution turn red, litmus paper blue. The pH value can be identified using a universal indicator paper matched with the color chart on the package. We use Microsoft PowerPoint as the main developed platform. Why? because it's accessible, lightweight, and can be used offline. In our research, the development of Virtuacid Lab went through the several stage interface design, simulation of chemical reaction, integration of interactive feature, and student trial. The trial was conducted with 39 students. The result, 95% of them said Virtuacid Lab increased their learning enthusiasm. Virtuacid Lab also helps students understand microscopic and symbolic chemistry concepts that are hard to explain through theory alone.
After entering the product description, we now move on to the advantage of Virtuacid Lab sections. For the first time, once accessible without an internet connection, offline modes. So, Virtuacid Lab enables use anytime and anywhere without relying on network availability. 2. Supports equal opportunities in science education. Virtuacid Lab overcomes the lack of physical infrastructure in conventional laboratories. 3. Inclusive and equitable access. So, Virtuacid Lab designed for all students, including those in schools with limited laboratory facilities. 4. Provides a complete scientific experiment experience. Virtuacid Lab allows students to perform all stages of the scientific process, problem or object, formulation, observation, data analysis, and drawing conclusions. 5. Promotes active and independent learning. So, Virtuacid Lab encourages students to explore chemical concepts interactively and meaningfully. 6. Different from other virtual laboratories such as TeamLab, HIT, or Labster. With the many benefits obtained, Virtual Lab media can become a potential learning media based on practical experiments.
Let's see trial and feedback of our product. Virtuacid Lab has highly positive impact on increasing student learning enthusiasm and facilitating practical activities. About 95% of students state that using Virtuacid Lab significantly enhances their motivation to learn and enables them to conduct experiments without being in conventional laboratory. These show the impact Virtuacid in learning, which is proven with the student extraordinarily good responses.
Conclusion: Virtuacid Lab as a virtual chemistry laboratory has made a significant contribution to improving the quality of chemistry learning, particularly on the topic of acid and base. Students show great enthusiasm for learning as they can perform and develop experiments independently, interactively, and flexibly without geographical barriers. The offline access feature serves as a major advance, addressing the challenge of limited educational infrastructure, especially in areas lacking fully equipped laboratories.
Virtuacid Lab,
Learning chemistry without limits.